Hey guys, it's Heather with Passion for Savings, and I am going to show you how to make corn on the cob in the microwave in just 8 minutes. It's so easy. So you want to start by cutting off the ends of the silk, not too much, but just a little bit of that you want to get off of there. Then you want to place on a plate, so place your corn on the plate. Cover with a wet paper towel just to add a little bit of moisture. And then we're going to put that in the microwave for about 8 minutes for 2 ears of corn.